Next one did not meet the price expectations. For example, he wants apples to sell for 5 per kg and doesn't want to sell below that price. Among all the customers, few customers are not willing to pay the price fixed by the sellers and they want to buy at less price than $5. Finally, for these customers who did not meet the price expectations of sellers, apples are not sold to them. Similarly, for publisher, higher the price publisher inventory can get, better the revenue and profits they can earn. Large publisher having good team to find the advertisers may not ready to sell at low price that is fixed for that ad inventory. For example, there is a sports page in your website and you want to sell leaderboard ad space for a minimum or fixed CPM of $5. Ad space is available to sell only for the price which is equal to or greater than $5. This is also known as floor price. Advertisers, those who want to pay less than $5 and they did not meet the price expectations of publisher. This publisher is not ready to sell inventory for low price than he expected. For the advertisers who met publisher expectations, they sell agreed portions of inventory and leaving few unsold. This is another reason that inventory becomes unsold and remnant inventory.